Oh yeah, do you guys recognize this? C15 cat. Let's see what we got. Or if I left the light underneath there. Okay, as you can see, I already pulled the pan off. And I don't think I left the light under here. Shucks darn it, you guys ain't gonna see nothing. So let's come over here. See where I left the light. The problem with those magnet lights is you stick them places and then you forget where you stick them. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, let's take another look. Oh, there it is. Stuck on the oil pan. Okay. Here we go. C15 cat. Some giveaways once I got the oil pan off. Didn't quite notice it at first, but I saw some rubbing on top of the oil pan, or not the oil pan, but the rod. And that's when I saw all those goodies. Look at that. Yep. 500,000. Gave up the ghost. But here's where it's pretty at. Oh. Let's look up inside there. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, let's get you up in there so you can see all that beauty. Yeah, you see that right there? Let's see if you guys can see that a little bit. I don't know if you guys can notice that. But the crank is now a two-piece crank. It broke the crank, split the bearing out. It looks like the bearing itself was theoretically okay. It looks like the crank gave out, which is really odd. I don't see that a lot with cats. But with, well, that's pretty much it. You can see where the crank broke. Rod looks, bearing looked like it fell. Just looks like the crank broke. And why it won't rotate is because it's trying to push it up against compression. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can probably shove this camera right up in there. Just go. Just got dark on you. Okay, got a lot of editing. Take my word for it. It broke the crank. Oh.